So what's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add fonts to Figma. Figma comes with default fonts, but you can also use the local fonts installed on your computer or custom fonts from external sources. Download the font file. Double-click the font file and then click Install. On Windows, it will appear in your Fonts folder. On Mac, it will appear in Font Book. Now, if you use Figma in a browser, download Figma Font Helper from Figma Downloads and install it and then run it. This allows Figma to access local fonts from your computer. Now open Figma desktop or browser after installing the font, and local fonts should now appear in the font drop-down when editing text. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.